What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm bringing you a talk through style half cut crease tutorial using the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette. I decided to just do a really easy and simple half cut crease with a little bit of a pop of color on the lower lash line. If you're new to my channel, this is the first video you're watching, thank you so much for taking the time to tune in to today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any other videos. And don't forget to put the little bell alarm button down below. That's going to notify you when your girl uploads new videos and you don't want to miss out. So make sure that you click that button down below. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into the video. So I'm going to start with the Too Faced Peach palette. I'm going to start by taking this shade right here and I'm going to apply this on my crease. I'm applying it just a few times to really build up that light pink color. I'm just using a fluffy brush and doing circular motions and sweeping motions. Now I'm going to dip into this shade right here and apply it on the crease on the inner and outer corner as well. And slowly start to blend it upwards when you don't have as much eyeshadow on the brush. Take your blending brush and blend that out. And it's a cloudy day today, you guys, so the sun keeps peeping out and then getting hidden away by the clouds. So if the lighting is changing a little bit, my apologies. It's the outside natural lighting. I can't really do much about it. And I'm going to take this shade right here, Summer Yum, and do the same exact thing on the crease. I'm even using the same brush, and I'm just going to brush this on the puree color, just a little bit. Start to blend everything upwards just a tad. So to highlight my brow bone, I'm going to take White Peach and a little bit of Peaches and Cream and apply that to the brow bone. I like to highlight just right on the arch of that brow and then just like lightly tap the edges. I'm gonna take a little bit more of White Peach and just pop it right on the center and not even blend that out. Just leave it right there like that. Okay, so I'm gonna now cut the crease just halfway and I'm gonna use some eyeshadow primer to do that. And I'm gonna try to just mimic this side, but I'm really just going with the natural shape of my eye, my crease. Once that is nice and cut, I'm going to dip into Summer Yum again, which is that deep orange shade. I'm going to just follow the outline of the crease just to define this area a little bit more. And now I'm going to dip into this shade right here and apply it on the outer corner. I'm going to take a little bit more puree and kind of blend it onto the crease, or not the crease, onto the lid. I'm going to take the shade Cobbler right here and apply it on the first half of my lid, and then apply the shade right here to the inner corner. And I'm going to top it with this shade right here. This shade just gives us a nice little hint of a shimmery shimmer. For my inner corner, I'm going to take this shade right here. I'm literally putting it on my pinky and applying it on my inner corner. That inner corner is so pretty. Now I'm taking this e.l.f. brown cream liner to tightline the upper lash line. And I'm going to just line the upper lash line with that. And for lashes today, I'm taking DEMI Wispies, and these are by Salon Perfect. I'm gonna apply a layer of mascara. And this is the lash glue that I'm using today. This is what my sister-in-law Blanca uses, and when she was here in AZ, she used it the whole time she was here and introduced me to it. And now I had to go out and buy one because it works friggin' bomb. So shout out to you one time, girl. Thank you. So for the lower lash line, I'm going to take that light pink transition shade, Georgia, and I'm going to apply it just right on the lower lash line. And then I'm going to take the shade Puree, which was that second like warm tone brown color. And now I'm going to take this purple shade right here and apply it all across the lower lash line. I'm going to apply it all to the lower lash line. This color is super pigmented. Oops. I put a little too much, but it's all good in the hood. Okay, so that is the eyes done. Now we can finish off with the face. I just have my foundation on. I don't have anything else on because today on camera, I wanted to use the new Anastasia and AMREZY highlighter. I've been waiting to dip into this. Look at this. It is just so beautiful. So I'm gonna take a fan brush. I'm dipping right into this. Oh, it's so pretty. And let's see what happens. Holy crap. I want to apply it everywhere. Apply it on my nose a little bit. Ooh, my lips. I'm going to take this time to spray. I'm going to go back in with the highlighter and see if we get a more like, oh my god, yes. That's what I was looking for right now. Woo! Oh my goodness. So I'm going to take by Anastasia Beverly Hills the liquid lipstick in the shade Hudson. Alright guys, and that's going to wrap up this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video and you enjoyed it, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're not already. And I'll check you guys out in my next one. Bye!